Gordon is Gordon. Gordon went to Nafford or something like that. I don't fucking know.
Yo, what's up?
Faggots.
Gordon, don't say that word. That's mean.
Oi, me.
Yo, do y'all want to listen to Forest
Gump The Soundtrack with me?
No, thank you.
Alright, suit yourself then.
I'm gumping it.
Oh yeah, Forest Gump The Soundtrack.
Oh yeah, oh I'm gumping it.
Hey, fuck cookies!
Cookies! My name.
Go and pick up the jet engine, boy.
Oh, okay. I will pick up the jet engine, no problem. Do not worry, sir. I will make you very, very proud.
Okay, I will pick up the engine.
Pick up the jet engine, no problem. Thomas made his way to the docks. The random cocks. Cranky was lowering the jet engine. It was all shiny and sexy and...
The game Angry Birds is... Angry Birds.
You mean? What do you do?
Hey Cranky, can you I don't know.
Hurry the fuck up.
I'm trying to, asshole. Fuck you.
And then Cranky knocked a switch and then turned on the jet engine. It began to whine louder and louder and louder. Aw, son of a...
Make sure your fat ass up and suck this dick.
I'm the bestest.
Hey, buddy, could you just scoot a little bit? You know, just
A little bit.
Oh yeah, sure, Gordon. Don't worry. Hi, faggot. Bye, faggot. Fuck. Come on, could you hurry the fuck off? Aren't you supposed to be dead? Hey! Huh? What? I landed on my own pump trolley. Oh my goodness. And Trevor. 3, 2, 1. Who won? The winner is...
Cranky!
Guess I'm the winner today. Since you lost, you have to listen to Forest Gump this. Sup, bitches? Hey, Thomas. How did you get here so fast? Oh, I used the jet engine, bitch. Hey, wait a minute. What happened to Nafford?
Yeah, I ate it.
Gordon arrived. Did you see me overtake you? Overtake me? I didn't notice. Well, Gordon doesn't have to go as fast as a jet engine because he's a steam engine.
Shut up, bitch.
Roll my bottle, bitch.